OTHM Level 5 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. The objective of the OTHM Level 5 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management is intended to develop learners' understanding of policy, management theory, and practice in logistics and supply chain management. It provides learners with an opportunity to engage with the challenges facing professionals and policy makers in their own country. They will provide knowledge that underpins the ability to work as an effective manager in the sector. They combine both theoretical and practical knowledge in the profession and will develop and enhance knowledge and skills in the areas of leading change, effective planning, and risk assessment and forecasting. Learners will be able to work in a variety of roles within logistics and supply chain management. For entry onto the OTHM Level 5 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management qualification, learners must possess relevant NQF, QCF, RQF Level 4 diploma or equivalent recognized qualification. Learner must be 18 years or older at the beginning of the course. Mature learners over 21 with management experience. Learners must check with the delivery center regarding this experience prior to registering for the program. If a learner is not from a majority English-speaking country, must provide evidence of English language competency. OTHM qualifications at RQF Level 5 represent practical knowledge, skills, capabilities, and competences that are assessed in academic terms as being equivalent to foundation degrees, higher national diplomas, HND, and Year 2 of a 3-year UK bachelor's degree. The OTHM Level 5 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management qualification consists of 6 mandatory units for a combined total of 120 credits, 1,200 hours total qualification time, TQT, and 480 guided learning hours, GLH, for the completed qualification. Mandatory units of OTHM Level 5 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management qualification are 1. Business Communication, Purchasing, Supplier Management and Negotiation, Supply Chain Management, Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility, Strategic Management, Supply Chain Risk Assessment and Forecasting. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 0092331599937, 0092321505675.